The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release is still a few months ahead, and there are only a few rumors so far. But we have a good idea of the sort of things we want to see from it. Here's a few things we would like to see in the upcoming Galaxy Note 9. An in-screen scanner. This has been rumored, and it would be a great headline feature for the phone. Having the scanner on the back is awkward, but building it into the screen would both be convenient and the sort of high-tech futuristic thing that could see the Galaxy Note 9 stand out among other handsets. We're pretty sure Samsung is working on it. It's just a question of whether it's ready in time for the Note 9's launch. Room-filling sound. There are plenty of great things about the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but its speakers aren't among them. It has just a single bottom-firing speaker. So for the Note 9, we want at least 2 speakers, and ideally for them to be positioned on the front of the phone for sound that travels towards you when you're looking at the screen. Given how large the Note 9 is likely to be though, it could maybe even manage 4 speakers for truly big sound. Better Bixby. Bixby is one of the key new features of this year's crop of Samsung flagships. But in its current form, it leaves something to be desired, especially when it comes to understanding what you're saying. By the time of the Note 9's launch, we want it to be a true Google Assistant and Siri rival. But however good it ends up being, we also want to be able to remap the inevitable Pixie button, because not everyone is going to want to use it. 2-day battery life. Samsung's been conservative with the size of the battery in the Galaxy Note 8, understandably given what happened with the Note 7. But it's meant that while the Note 8 should last you a day, you'll probably be plugging it in at night. And it doesn't charge as fast as earlier fast-charging Samsung phones either. That may have been a safety precaution as well. But if Samsung can find a way to deliver 2-day life and truly fast charging with the Note 9, without risking an inferno, we'd be very happy. Improved face scanning. Although the iPhone X's Face ID is perhaps its headline feature, it's not the first phone to support face scanning. Nor is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but it does have it. It's just not very secure, to the point where a still image can still fool it. So for the Galaxy Note 9, we want face scanning to return, but only if it's a lot better. If it can prove more reliable than even Face ID, then Samsung could be onto a real winner. A similar price. Given that it's likely to be one of the most high-tech phones of 2018, we don't really expect Samsung to launch the Galaxy Note 9 at a lower price than the $929 Samsung Galaxy Note 8. But if it can keep it around the same, that would be something, and would see it undercut Apple's top-end phones, given that the new iPhone X starts at $999. Even less bezel. The front of the Galaxy Note 8 is almost all screen, but there's still a silver bezel at the top and bottom. We'd like to see Samsung reduce or remove that for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, perhaps along the lines of the Essential phones or the iPhone X. Doing so would allow what's always going to be a very big phone to be a bit more manageable without having to shrink the screen. So that is all what we want to see in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 9. What about you guys? What other features would you like to see? Or what features would you like to throw away? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Please give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gadget news and updates. Also, you might want to check our other video as well in case you miss anything. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.